Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Tableau in Windows. So let's get started. So just Google Tableau download. We'll be having the official link, Tableau Desktop Edition. Just click here and just fill up the necessary details over here and click on this agree button and select download for free. So the download will be getting started after you fill in the details and click the button. It is around 649 MB in size, so just be patient. It is available for Mac also. Once it is downloaded, just open it and we'll be getting the welcome to Tableau setup. Just click on I have read and accept the terms of agreement, and here we are having the customize option. Click it and here we can change the location of installation. By default it is in C program files, and if you have very less space in local disk C, I would recommend you to change it. So I will just click on browse and I want to get it installed in local disk D. So I'll just click here and make a new folder, just have it as Tableau, something like this, and select it and click on OK. That's it, and these are fine. I'll just click on install. This will take some time to install, so just be patient for a while. We will be getting an interface like this. I will just go with use the desktop edition like this, so I'll just select it and it will ask us to sign in. If you don't have an account, just select create an account and log into it. Once it is done, you will be taken to an interface like this. If you want to upgrade it, you can absolutely do it over here. If you are fine with the normal local version, that's also fine, you can use it. That's a video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.